The Twiddler's reserved system chords are a set of pre-built, pre-assigned chords that perform system-level functions in your Twiddler. Let's check it out. Want to cycle through your configuration files? Just use the Cycle Config chord to pick which config you want to activate. Let's say that you want to use the second config. Tap the Cycle Config chord and keep tapping until the green LED lights up in the second position. If you want to go back to the default config, type the Cycle Config chord until all 3 green LEDs light up. Wondering about your Twiddler's battery life? Use the battery level chord to check the battery status. A single red LED means the battery is low, 2 reds means it's medium, and all 3 reds means you're fully charged. Use the Print Status chord to display the current settings of the Twiddler. Just open a text editor, press the Print Status chord, and information like current firmware version, battery level, and Bluetooth address are printed out. To reset all Bluetooth devices connected to your Twiddler, first, forget the Twiddler from your host's Bluetooth list, then press the Erase Bluetooth Pairs chord on your Twiddler. The red, green, and blue LEDs will light up. Then a blue LED will light up one at a time to show that the Twiddler is scanning for a Bluetooth device to pair with. A Twiddler can be paired with up to 3 Bluetooth devices, like your phone, laptop, and work PC. Press the Cycle Bluetooth Pairs chord to specifically connect to the device you want to use. A blue LED will light up, indicating which Bluetooth connection is active. When all 3 blue LEDs are on, the Twiddler will look for all 3 devices and connect to the first one it finds. Curious if you have numlock, caps lock, or scroll lock on? Press the Display Keyboard LEDs chord to check the keyboard lock status. A white LED on the left means numlock is on. The middle LED means caps lock is on, and the right LED means scroll lock is active. To force the Twiddler into sleep mode, hit the Sleep chord. You'll see a magenta, white, magenta LED pattern light up. When you need to update your firmware, you need to set your Twiddler into bootloader mode. It's a 2-step process to get into this mode. First, put your Twiddler to sleep, typing the Sleep chord. Then, type the bootloader chord to wake the Twiddler up on bootloader mode. A blinking green LED will indicate you're in bootloader mode. All of these system actions can be duplicated to any chord you like, making them easy to remember and press. You are one step closer to mastering your Twiddler.